I would now like to ask Dr. Ashu Dhiman, the representative from Mediate Guru, to say a few words.
Thank you so much, Videsha. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Ashu Dhiman, and I feel honored to be here representing Mediate Guru. It is disheartening to hear about the sad demise of two of the professors, and I hope the current situation changes soon. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the organizing team of this event, as international dispute resolution competitions provide a platform to bring global students together to analyze the conflicts or disputes between states, countries, societies, businesses, like with other student colleagues, and recommend negotiation strategies to resolve the conflicts. As it has been rightly observed by Mr. Abraham Lincoln, discourage litigation, persuade your neighbors to compromise when you can. Point out to them how the nominal winner is often a real loser in fees, expenses, and wastage of time. As a peacemaker, the lawyer has a superior opportunity of being a good man. There will still be business enough. I hope all are agreeing with this. So I'm representing Mediate Guru, which is hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Yeah, so Mediate Guru is collaborating with NLSIU, and it is an international initiative started with the dream to spread awareness on the mechanism of mediation and to make available legal aid to all the strata of people in the society globally. In the era of emerging legal disputes due to high population, which within its purview has different demographics, not all people can afford the high cost of going to court to just seek justice or wait for years to get justice at the constant burden to monetary terms and time. We at Mediate Guru intend to bridge the gap between the classes in a community and the mediators, provide a linkage between the same with an aim to provide the social awareness. We are successfully making our mark in national and international markets. We are at a constant fleet, increasing our recognitions in national, international markets, with it being present associated with 100 plus countries. With an international member community of leading mediators, arbitrators, and other ADR professionals, we are here to make the change in society. We have conducted various sessions on dynamic issues, circumventing the importance of mechanisms of ADR and mediation with a global audience. The webinars were being conducted by having a host of eminent speakers on board. Our global advisory board consists of eminent ADR personalities from across all jurisdictions, which make a step with us every day to further the cause. We conducted our very first international mediation competition, which received an overwhelming response of participation from enthusiasts from different countries. Apart from that, we are back with yet another international arbitration moot happening this September on demand of students from all over the world. And we are definitely glad to be associated with National Law School of India, University, Bangalore for their 7th National Mediation Competition. And I wish all the participants luck for the competition and wish for their success in all their future endeavors to spread awareness of mediation throughout the globe. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And we're truly grateful to Mediate Guru for providing us with all the help that they have over the past few months. A lot of the expert assessors that will be judging our teams over the next 2 days are associated with Mediate Guru and are highly experienced mediators from across the world. So we hope that the participants are going to bring their A game on.